What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? Yet another new park we are checking in from today, Belmont Park. Yeah, they're open late and we came here to enjoy the Giant Dipper and some other rides. Let's go! So one of the first attractions we see here is Control Freak. It's a swinging, spinning kind of ride where you control the arm and it locks or unlocks and, well, you can flip. Then over here, we have Vertical Plunge, which is like a frog hopper. So it goes up and down, little drop tower thing.
Are you going by yourself?
And here we are, we're in line. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed an Ace roller coaster landmark, dedicated in 2010.
You don't have to go there.
Enjoy your ride.
And here we are in the station, row 1. Let's do this.
It's so fast. It's like, on and you go.
I won't. Of course we have a carousel here, small one though. We do have games, Midway games, all over the place. There's a tilt-a-whirl over here themed to ice cream sundaes. Crazy Submarine, which is a flat ride. It spins round and round, goes one direction, and then it goes the other direction. And it stalls at the top. It does give a little bit of airtime, but it's here. Right over here we have a High Striker. There's a burger joint, Dippin' Dots. So if you want carnival foods, they've got you covered. Look at the size of that rock climbing wall. And there's multiple lanes, so if you and your buddy want to race, well, you can. If climbing things are more your style, well, we have sky ropes. So it's a ropes course. Speedway, which is a kids attraction. Cars are themed to NASCARs, and they go round and round. Does a little whipping action. Great ride for the kiddos. We have a Chance Revolution ride over here called Beach Blaster. Spins round and round on the pendulum, goes way up in the air over here and over there. like it when it comes to a drop tower. It's called zero gravity. Spins around, goes up to the top, and then it drops. Like so. Need to slow things down a bit? Well, we have mini golf right here. Get over this direction. We have an XD dark ride. Another flat ride here called Octatron. It's a spinning ride and you will invert as you go around this course. Indoor bumper cars. We have them here too. Well guys, that's going to do it for our short video here from Belmont Park. I know, it was really short, but this is a smaller park. I do got to say though, I enjoy this place, and I'm very happy that the Giant Dipper is a National Historic Landmark. I'm not sure when I'll be back here again, but if you do like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.